In health news tonight, an extremely encouraging study for people with multiple sclerosis.
It is so promising that researchers have already contacted the FDA about starting human clinical trials. News 8's medical reporter Jocelyn Momenta has more on the hopeful news for people with the progressive form of MS.
It's a chemical.
This is the laboratory at MSTEM Biotechnology, where researchers collaborated with UConn Health Center. Their work has led to a promising discovery for people with a progressive form of multiple sclerosis.
We think this will give us a new hope that the stem cells can treat this disease.
Lead investigator Dr. Zhengfang Wang, alongside Dr. Joel Pachter, used embryonic stem cells to repair the neuroinflammatory disease in mice. Watch closely. These are mice with MS, dragging their hind limbs. Now, take a look again.
You can see that these mice are walking on their hind limbs.
The damage is significantly repaired after an injection of the engineered stem cells.
We're forcing them to speak the language we want them to speak, which is repair.
Embryonic stem cells are thought to be the key to enabling the body to heal itself.
You actually see them get out into the central nervous system itself, and we think that it's necessary for them to do that in order to repair the damage.
I'm very excited because it's so close to therapies that can really work on patients and can bring benefit to patients.
Patients like Maureen Jessen,
Start out with a real slight limb.
with progressive MS, have no therapies available to help slow it down.
The thought that I could maintain my upper body mobility is really promising. And if there's a possibility to regain back some of the mobility that I have in my legs, that's even more exciting.
Meantime, Dr. Wang and his staff are hard at work at tweaking the research and the safety of these cells for human testing.
Dr. Wang tells me they've already started talking with the FDA, and phase 1 human clinical trials could begin in 1 to 2 years. At UConn Health Center, Jocelyn Momenta, News 8.